Well, this chart doesn't look too well. What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video here on the channel, and for today's video, I'm back with another stock talk video, and for today's stock talk video, we're going to be talking about Peloton, ticker symbol PTON. Guys, if you haven't already seen, I do have a TikTok and a Discord server. If you're interested in my content, click the links down below and join my Discord server and follow me on my TikTok. Okay, but let's jump into this video because we have a lot to talk about, and some big news happened this morning with Peloton. As you can see here, the past couple trading sessions have been in a downward spiral, but this morning we got big news, and the stock has dropped hard all the way down to $81, down 13.3% on the day. Okay, so as you can see by the 1 minute chart here, you can see that we hit highs around $98 in the day before sharply taking a nosedive down to the support area around $90, and then continued to try and bounce, but fell even further down to $81. Now we're trying to stable out here, but there's been some big news and it's kind of scary for the company. So let's kind of summarize what has happened to the company Peloton. This morning, they agreed to recall its treadmills amid pressure from a federal safety regulator after its machines were linked to dozens of accidents, including one death of a child. Now, after this statement came out around 10 o'clock this morning, the chief executive, John Foley, quickly came aboard and sent out a message around noon today saying that they were initially apologized for refusing to comply with the Consumer Product Safety Commission when they were first approached in mid-April. So now people came out with a couple questions and answers. Now, yes, you're able to get a refund for it, but the recall applies to both the Peloton treadmills and the higher end treadmill plus. So you're probably wondering what actually happened. Well, right here it says the U.S. Consumer Product Safety Commission said one recall for the Peloton Tread Plus. This was because of the death of one child and more than 70 other reported incidences. The lower priced Peloton Tread, which hasn't been released widely in the US, was recalled due to risks of injury related to its touchscreen inadvertently detaching. That is huge news and a big malfunction for the company's product. So after announcing it's going to be recalled finally and going through the death of one child and many other reported incidences, the company's stock has dropped massively. Now, if you're long-term bullish in Peloton, this is a tricky situation because overall, this is a short-term negative catalyst that should correct itself eventually. But the problem is the timing with this situation, okay? We are a day away from earnings, which is going to be reported tomorrow after hours. The stock over the past few weeks has been in a downward trend anyway, but this really set it over the edge. And if we take a look at our 180-day chart, we had previous highs of all-time highs around $171 back in January, and since then the stock hasn't really been performing too well. We did have this $100 area of support, which I was interested in taking a position, but now that we have fallen down and dropped massively through that area of support, I don't see this as being a good entry anymore. Now, with earnings coming out tomorrow after hours, it's going to be very interesting to see how this company's stock reacts. The company's quarter is going to be very interesting because of the fact that many gyms are reopening as of now, that people are not going to be looking to be buying these at-home treadmill devices. So let's watch tomorrow to see how the stock reacts after hours due to this news. I think there's still a lot of long-term upside potential with this stock, but as of right now, trading at such a low level and with the recent news that came out, this may be downtrending for a very long time. So if you're a long-term bull with Peloton and you believe in the company long-term, then don't worry about this. If anything, I would take this as an opportunity to buy in the dips. But again, like I said before, this could keep dipping, so know when to cut losses if need be if you're not long-term with this company. So if you are long-term, buy the dips or hold on and just don't look at your current position right now. If you're trying to get a short-term trade or looking to get into the position for a long-term, keep watch over the next several days and weeks and see how earnings plays out tomorrow. That'll give you a good sense of whether or not you should be entering or exiting into this position. And hopefully you guys learned something from this video today. So guys, if you haven't already, make sure to click the links down below and join my Discord and my TikTok if you're interested. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to click subscribe and like for more videos. I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace out, everybody.